feel so sorry for the people watching this. I have no personality. I am so dead.
Hi host! So today I have a very special guest here on my channel, my friend Leo, and we're doing a very fun and exciting challenge, I guess let's call it. So we're doing a drag transformation. It's been something I've wanted to do for a very long time on just like my friends, because I think drag is just for everyone. I think everyone should try drag. It's so much fun. So just tell them a little bit about yourself. First of all, plug your Instagram handle right here.
It's Leo
_ when we were talking about doing this video, I asked him about like his inspirations in terms of anyone you like, or also like drag queens that you like. So what are your inspirations? Who are your inspirations?
For my celeb inspiration, I'd say Ariana Grande, definitely. Right. For my drag inspiration, I'd say Aquaria, Miss Fame, Naomi Smalls, and a little bit of Adore Delano and Farrah Moan as well.
She's a look queen because she has no talent, she has no personality, so she's all looks. So
I'm dead inside.
Okay, so it's just gonna be Leo's face today, featuring my hands, my nails. First things first, we put contacts on, because if you're not wearing contacts, then you are not doing drag, okay? Oh my god, I feel like that girl from Instagram with like the nails. You are magnificent.
I have no idea what she's talking about.
Oh my god. Okay, so gluing down brows is very important. It's very crucial to the whole look.
I better have eyebrows though after this.
Oh my god, you have no brows, bitch.
I am disgusted.
Well, it's your face, boo. I can't do shit about it. Well, in drag, you have to, like, you know, get ugly in order to look pretty. That's why I'm ugly every morning. While that's drying, actually, we're gonna get started on La Cara, and we're gonna use a stick foundation. But before we do that, we're gonna do a little beard cover because, you know, she's a man. You didn't shave it?
I shaved it last week, but
last week
it's like peeking out again. Hi, hello. I'd have very pink, but it's okay.
Yeah, we're gonna try to change. Bitch, that's pink. Okay, I guess we're going for completely changing who you are.
I look like an old man.
Aren't you?
You look 35.
Me? How dare you? Some guy on Instagram DM'd me. He's a rapper. I'm not gonna disclose who.
Yeah.
But he asked me how old I was, and I said I was 17. You know what he said?
What?
Oh my god, that's so hot. Ooh, she's already looking crunchy. Oh look. Measure my tit. What? You look so disgusting. Browless corpse. It's a look. Oh, I forgot to do your ears. We're doing a ponytail today, so. She's dark and lovely, girl. Ooh, she uneven too? She hella uneven. And then we're gonna delete half your chin. Okay, look up. Come on, chin strap. Oh my god, that actually looks really good. Who's calling me?
Booty call.
No.
I'm scared still.
Why? Why? What are you scared of?
So far, I'm not convinced.
Because it's so hard to do makeup sideways on a freaking lighting.
Well, you take up the whole space.
Oh. Oh. I take up the whole space. Oh, bitch. Can you hold your fucking hair?
It's like,
You're not cute yet. You still look like a fucking egg. So relax. We're gonna snatch your nose now. So you should be very excited for this. Look. See that? Boom.
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 Text comes out here. Boom.
No, over your face. Look over again.
Boom.
Man, look at me straight. No, you can't look at me straight. You hella gay. So how do you feel about drag?
Well, drag is an art form.
Okay, thank you for the pageant queen answer. Would you do it as like a hobby?
I wouldn't do it as a hobby or like as a professional job.
Why not?
I don't know, I just feel like it takes a lot of courage to go out like this. It's not for me, I think.
Oh, okay. So obviously, like, you don't identify as a woman. So you what? Identify as a...
What is this? This is my coming out video. She's really just going for it.
Because we never really had this conversation, right?
I never really had a conversation
with anybody?
With anybody about my sexuality. I feel like that's the last thing they should that they should know about me.
Oh, so you see, it's like it's not like, something important.
It's not something important.
Okay, I see.
I feel like that's the same goes for you. I feel like if you're a trans athlete, you will always be trans first, not athlete.
Right. For me personally, I like to disclose the fact that I'm trans, not just from dating purposes, but I don't know. I feel like it gives me a little extra power. And
you feel empowered
I feel empowered, obviously scared, you know, because I can't be who I am wherever I want to be. But it is what it is. So, like, I'm just curious, like, are you out with your family? Do they ask, or
they don't ask? It's just
they don't care.
I just don't believe in coming out either. I will always still be me, even though, like, let's say I come out, nothing changes.
But your mom, like, never asks you if you have a girlfriend?
She never asks.
She doesn't care.
She doesn't care, and I'm pretty sure she knows.
I mean, like, you'd have to be headless to think that this is straight. I mean, like, it's kind of similar for me. They kind of, like, just got it. They never really bothered asking.
Have they ever asked about your transition when you decided to?
No. The closest to that was when my mom asked me, "Are you on hormones yet?" That was it. And I said, "No, not yet." And then we just
you just went along with it. Yeah. I think that's good. I feel like that's normalizing things.
What?
The struggle is real.
I can see the struggle on your face. We are gonna do that Aquaria gap in the center. And we're gonna put a rhinestone on it. Don't look at me like you love me. Come on, I want to touch your lip.
My crusty lip.
Yeah, I don't know where that's been. Ooh, okay, baby. What are you smiling at?
Is she popping?
She is. Look, boom. Boom. Do you see that? Boom. You look like you're falling asleep or either like ready for the casket. So we're gonna come back with brows because this might take a while and I'd want to, like, you know, reserve a little bit of battery. So bye. We'll come back with brows. Okay, so we're back. We did the brows and we did eyeliner and we also put mascara and lashes on because I cannot do that in front of the camera doing your makeup from over here from the side. So I had to, like, stand up and do it properly, and I think it looks pretty good, right? Close. Right? It's pretty even. She's looking stunning. Brows are looking a little crunchy, but it's okay. Okay, so we're gonna finish the eyes. We're gonna put rhinestones where we left that little gap just to make the eyes really pop, right? So we're using these Swarovski crystals. These are expensive, so I'm gonna need these back, okay? I'm gonna need them back.
You can eat it, bitch.
Okay, so we're gonna actually just use lash glue to attach it. How do you feel though?
I feel good.
Interesting, right? It's different.
I feel empowered.
Bloop. Boom. Doesn't that look so pretty? Now we're just gonna spray your face. Boom.
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 Boom. You have like no texture on your skin.
So I have nice skin. Thanks.
Yeah, except this one crater right here. Boom. Boom schmiggity. Like what? So we like extended the bridge of your nose by like an entire inch. And sometimes, you know, an inch is just enough. Get it?
No.
Oh, because you're like a virgin, right?
Why are we doing that already when we don't have the stick yet?
Trying to highlight the crustiness. That's your brand, Crusty. So we're gonna need like a facial after this. And not the kind that you're usually used to. Damn, your lips are so crunch and munch right now. I'm gonna just give you an entirely new bottom lip. The only thing fat about you, sis. Boom! So we're on the last step, guys. We're putting the lipstick on. Are you excited?
No.
I feel like this would be so much easier if we just do it. Is it even?
I think it's even.
Oh. Bitch. Bitch. Yeah, that made the world of a difference. You look huge.
Boom.
Okay, so I think we're done. We're just gonna put on a wig, a quick turning outfit, and yeah, we'll come right back. Say bye. Bye. Hey guys, so we're back. This is the reveal. This is Aria Luxe.
Aria Luxe.
There you go. So we gave her a little bit of a Ariana Grande focused hair moment. How do you feel?
It feels very heavy.
Well,
super heavy.
Duh.
I feel like we need to wrap this up.
Oh, so she wants to get out already. Oh my god. Like, okay, here's the thing. Like for me, like this is a lot obviously, but there are certain elements to it that I use, you know, like a version of this every
It
day.
takes how many hours?
Like 3 hours.
Yeah. It's just for like the face itself.
Yeah, and well, face and hair, because the lace was not sticking to the forehead. I mean, it was an ordeal, but I think we got to a really good end result. How do you like? How do you feel?
I feel pretty good.
Do you like it?
I like it.
Do you think I did a good job?
You did a great job.
Okay, good.
I'll give that to you.
Okay.
For a first timer, it's a good job.
I know, right? Like, if I saw you at the club, I'd give you dollar bills if we had dollar bills here in Canada. Okay.
Who are you?
Who are you, first of all?
I don't know you.
Who bought you all this drag? RuPaul says that like everyone should do drag, which I totally believe in. So how do you feel now that you've done drag? Do you think everyone should do drag?
I feel like everyone should do drag. I feel like I have some people in mind that should do drag.
Okay, you're gonna have to tell me off camera. Maybe we'll make that happen, right? But I don't know, like I think everyone should try drag. I think for girls it's maybe like learning something about doing your makeup differently, or for gay guys maybe it's something about like, you know, getting in touch with your feminine side and not being afraid.
I feel like even for straight guys, I feel like it's something that they should try at least once.
I mean, like, I have like one straight guy that I'd really like to put in drag. I think he'd be down for it, but I don't know. I think it would be really interesting.
If you like this video, give it a like.
And if you like me, not her, because it's my channel, then you should totally subscribe. Oh. Trying to steal my spotlight. Okay, we can have you on here again.
I'll be back here again.
You look like Julie Vu. Oh my god, you have a unibrow.
Excuse me.
You do, bitch.
Stop broadcasting.
Like hair. Should I glue that down too?
First of all, you would not see it. And
bitch, I see it, and I'm not even that close to you. I'm not even that close to you.